And here we have none other than our National Director sa Miss Universe Philippines, Miss Ariela Arida. Ariela, what are you wearing tonight? You look absolutely stunning.
I'm actually wearing my confidence and my ability to stand up after the fall. Actually, seeing this beautiful launching of her brand is like watching a phoenix rising from the ashes.
Hi, Miss Cristobello. Hindi ba kayo threatened sa launch ng brand ni Miss Velma Imperial?
Not at all. In the beauty industry, we're all friends.
We have one of our beauty CEOs tonight, Miss Anna Magkawa. So, Miss Anna, ano naman ang masasabi natin sa paandar ni Miss Velma Imperial tonight?
Well, I only have 6 words for her. May the best beauty brand win.
Velma? It's time.
At para mapaniwala natin ng lahat na patay na kayo, Miss V, pampabagal ng heartbeat. Para maniwala silang patay na talaga kayo.
Oh my God, am I really gonna be doing this?
Because you've always loved drama, Miss V.
You know me so very well.
Kapag nag-succeed tayo dito, hindi lang pagkamatay ng ate ko ang may gaganti ko. Pati na rin ang lahat ng babaeng nagawa ng injustice ng asawa niyo. And that includes you, Miss Velma. Well, enjoy your quick visit to the afterlife.
Huh?
Oh my God, Miss V! Ikaw! Huh? Ikaw ang pumatay kay Miss Velma! What? No!
Velma?
No! What happened? Hindi ko siya kaya patayin! Hindi ako...
What did you do? Velma!
Sir Eddie, maniwala kayo sa akin. Hindi ako mamamatay tao. I'm not a freaking criminal! I'm not a criminal!
What did you do?
Sir Eddie, aminin ko, matindi yung galit ko kay Miss Velma. Magkaaway kami palagi, pero hindi ko kaya siya patayin. Then how can you explain this, Shari? Baka nakakalimutan mo. Tinretan mo si Miss V! Die, Velma. That's all I'm gonna say. Die, Velma. Die. You know, I'm the queen, the true queen of Velma Beauty.
Can someone get this girl out of my face?
No, I'm not a criminal. Not a criminal. No, you're taking Miss Velma.
Why are you just standing there? Why are you taking pictures?
Isa itong kwento ng pagbawi.